Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to do branching with if, elif, and else in Python. Sometimes you want to execute a block of code only when some condition is met. For example, in this case, you only want to print A is smaller than B. When A is smaller than B, returns true in this if conditions. And sometimes you want to print A is greater than B when the condition A is greater than B is true in this else-if condition. When A is not less than B and when A is not greater than B, both happening at the same time, it will go into this else condition, which is A equal to B, then this block of code will be executed. You also can perform some other types of comparisons to construct the condition for checking which block of code to execute when the condition returns true. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.